Operating an effective water distribution network requires making intelligent, well-informed, and timely decisions every day. But regardless of system complexity, water utilities face the same difficulties when dealing with diverse data sources dispersed throughout the network. You not only need a good sense of what is happening in your network right now, but also the ability to accurately predict what is about to happen and how to respond in order to achieve the best possible outcome. This means collecting more data from your various network sources, such as instrumentation and customer metering, so that you can have quantitative information on which to base your operational decisions. OpenFlows WaterOPS is a complete predictive modeling solution for real-time water network operations, maintenance, and forecasting. Extending the capabilities of SCADA with a calibrated hydraulic model, the application computes live network conditions, helping operators achieve target optimizations for events associated with a range of conditions, from normal operation to pump outage, fire, leakage, pipe failures, and water quality and demand management. Access to a versatile, easy-to-use interface brings simulations out of the engineering group and into the hands of the operator. You can instantaneously run multiple hydraulic scenarios that factor energy consumption, SCADA telemetry, demand prediction, and valve and pump control scenarios, all without the need for modeling expertise. OpenFlows WaterOPS can continually assess system performance and alert stakeholders of critical events before they occur. Once your hydraulic models are updated with operational data, the application displays a complete map of all water infrastructure, including color coding and alerts for problem areas, graphs illustrating pressure and tank levels, as well as evaluations for water age and constituent, and one-click reports for other various water assets. OpenFlows WaterOPS can also be configured to send critical warning messages in the event of emergency, delivering utility-wide access to crucial information. OpenFlows WaterOPS also seamlessly opens OpenFlows WaterGems and OpenFlows Hammer models, including models created within ArcGIS. This continuous interoperability empowers you to understand change impact at every step of the project lifecycle, helping to promote cooperation between your engineering and operational workflows. Using Bentley's real-time decision support solution enables you to make smarter operational decisions every day by forecasting overall network performance. You can manage pumps and storage more effectively to save energy while cutting operational costs, plan ahead for scheduled maintenance, and react better to unplanned outages and emergencies with greater confidence.